This is a tablet from Flycoay that has a 14-inch display. So it's much bigger than the 10.1-inch tablets, and it's also got higher specifications. And in this video I'm just going to do a first impressions. If you do have any questions about this tablet, I will be making a review on this tablet. Ask me in the comment section below, and I'll go ahead and answer the questions if I can. Oh, this thing is a bit heavy. Let's go ahead and take it off the packing. Okay, there we go. I like the design on it. It's pretty nice. It actually looks a bit stylish. So this has quad speakers as well, and it's got 12 gigabytes of RAM, which is quite impressive. That is a big display, and I intend on using this for multimedia consumption and stuff. It's a thick tablet, and this has, I think, 11,000 mAh battery inside it, so that is huge.